We want to be friends. Don't be afraid. We're your
That
friends.
infrasound, that is awesome stuff, because I'm starting to get a headache too.
Are
you?
you?
Right now?
Yeah. That's what they're doing.
Yeah, that's what Tim says too.
I'm getting a headache right there.
That's
Almost, they might be trying to send me a message.
I heard a grunt over that way.
Mm-hmm.
it's quiet right now.
But that could have been a pig, though.
No, that wasn't a pig.
No? Oh, I heard it again. Shh, shh, shh. I heard it again.
So
Shh, 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 shh.
That's what it is. Infrasound. I'm getting a headache on that side of my head. You're seeing it, you're hearing it.
I'm hearing something, yeah.
No, over there.
One I heard there and one a grunt I heard here. Like two.
That's cool. Right when he said that too.
Another one. Is it still happening? So that means we're
Take a picture of it.
over here?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm taking pictures. Randomly.
Yeah. Snap 'em.
I zoomed in and took a picture back of my neck and standing up, and I was getting a headache
Yeah,
on this side.
yeah, yeah.
And I mentioned infrasound.
Yeah.
And you started hearing the
Yep,
noise.
I heard a grunt.
All of it over here, and that's where it's at.
Yeah, that
He-
makes
He's
sense.
letting me know he's alpha. He just attacked me. Mild.
Yeah, but that's interesting.
I mean, it can't be a coincidence.